Oh, Patrick, give me food. Give me food.
Good? How is that?
Cleanse my palate with my finger.
How is that? Delicious? It's delicious?
Say he likes it.
He's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh. You know what? This is actually like probably too liquidy. Tomorrow I'll make it a little thicker. But he's doing good with it.
He is.
Oops, sorry.
Unless he's storing it away somewhere in his gigantic head.
That's okay. It's nourishing his brain. Hey, he's going to have a complex when he gets older and watches these. We're always talking about his giant head. You do have a big head, Patrick.
It'll be normal size by then, or we'll have to edit all these videos.
Hopefully you'll grow into it. It's just a little big for your size, that's all. But, you know, you have two smart parents, so you have a giant brain you have to fit in there.
You think
He
that's
likes it. He likes it. Let me see. No, wash your little face. There we go. There we go. Here we go. Oh, yum. Oh, delicious. Oh, delicious.
That's delicious. It looks delicious.
It doesn't smell bad. He's like, give me more. I want more. And I want it fast.
It's like, here, just dump it down my throat. Tilt my head back.
I'll help you out. Oh my god, he's doing so good.
He is. He knows just
Doing
what to
such
do.
a good job. He does.
He's a little sloppy.
Mark,
I tell ya.
He's not. Most
I
babies
know.
are a total mess when they
Come on,
have
I'm
their
being
cereal
sarcastic.
the first time.
You kid, you
I mean,
can keep some of
granted,
it in your mouth.
I wiped his face twice already, so.
What a little slob.
Oh, he's doing such a great
He
job.
is.
I'm so proud of you. Your first cereal. It's like, I think I could get used to this. I kind of like this. Here we go. Oh, wait till you start having fruit. Mommy's going to make your food for you. She is.